In this example, we are using images that have a round structure. Therefore, we can use a round shape as a guide for sizing all the photos correctly. I find the top view of the food suitable for this video. Add a couple of food images with round plates or bowls. In the timeline, select all of them and adjust the duration. Sequence the image timing accordingly. Add some transparency so that we can resize and align the food photo with our guide. Add text. Add shadow if the text is illegible. Add smoke effect for finishing touch. Change the blend mode to screen, so it blends better with the photo.